Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to make awesome thumbnails because thumbnails are very important, and the reason for this is that before even anyone watches your video, thumbnail is the only thing that they will see, so it should be nice and perfect and it should attract their attention towards your video. So we will be seeing how we can make a good thumbnail in this video. I will be using the PicMonkey app for making thumbnail. So I will go on edit photo and I will add text and emojis to a photo that I already have. So basically here you can choose from a variety of options, like you can like down below you can see there are a lot of options. You can either choose to brighten your picture, you can do the contrast, and you can highlight, shadows, etc. There's a lot of things to choose from, and I'll leave that up to you because everyone has their own opinion, own choice. So you can do however you want. You can add a filter in as well. Down below is the text option, so we will click on that and we will be typing how to make this cool hairstyle. You can type whatever you want, and after you have typed in the text you can choose the size. You can basically choose where you want it, how you want it, the color of the text, the shadow of the text, and the font too. And you can even add like a background to your just text. So you can do that how you want. So yeah, so I chose this text, and I will also be selecting from different colors, and I will be placing it at the bottom of the picture. Now you can actually also add emojis by going to where you add the text and then typing in the emojis, and then you can make them bigger, smaller, and you can add them wherever you want. So this is how you can make thumbnail on a picture that you already have, or you can make thumbnails on like a blank canvas. For the blank canvas, you can click on the blank canvas, and down below you can see the background option. Click on the background one and you can choose a color, and then you can go onto the patterns, and there are a lot of patterns here. I chose this writing one, and you can change the color of the writing. I set it to white because it seemed quite vibrant, and you can add text in here as well. So the purpose of this video is to show you that how you can use the PicMonkey app to create different thumbnails. You can be creative. You have a lot of options to choose from. You have variety of options to choose from basically. So how you can make good thumbnails, I just wrote how to make money just for an example. You can do whatever you want, and then I will be adding in some emojis at the bottom. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below. Also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will be linking the PicMonkey app in the description box below so you can check it out, and do comment if you want me to make more videos like this. And this is my first video, so I try to give it 100%, so no hate. Bye.